Good morning, traders. It is 9:45 a.m. on the 22nd of March. Thank you so much for tuning into the Stock Monger. This is 40,000 PE. What I did was initially I did a trade where I bought it at 260 over here, somewhere over here, 260, and I squared it off at 295 when this spiked, because usually as per my indicators it rejects the red line. So it started falling after touching 315. It started falling, so that is where I bought it to 295. It struck that and then it fell, as you can see. Now when this candle closed, I bought it again, and at 228, exactly over here. My first target is 247, which is passed, and now my second target is 264. So once this starts to break out, I will then go ahead and start trailing my stop loss. So let's see how this goes. These are my indicators. To know more about my indicators, please log on to stockmonger.in. Everything is over there, and let's see how this trade works out. Okay guys, what happened here is I bought it at 228 and it looked a little weak as per the data that I have. It is a sell on rise, but right now it's going up and down, so it's going to range for some time. I'm not going to take directional at the moment. So I booked some 10 points over here, took 250 rupees. I just took one lot and it came down again. I felt like taking it over here at 214. Now it's at 238, 240. I don't feel like trading right now because there is no direction in the market. It is sideways for now. So let's just wait till we get a clear direction. Right, traders, so the time is 10:30 and let me just show you a simple thing called price action. It came down, went up, came down again, and now it's here. So this line over here is going to reject and probably break down. So we're going to do a quick scalp of 10-15 points on 40,000 PE. Let me just take you to that chart. Right, so I'm going to trade this live in front of you. It's at 2:30 right now. Let me just add this. 1 second. Okay, I'm going to do a call over here. Okay. Okay, we bought at 241. Exactly right over here, 241, and our targets will be 261 and 281. Okay, these are our first two targets. Once these targets cross, we'll start trailing the stop loss. I just want to show you how easily I calculated. Our stop loss will be over here at the bottom of this, which is around 30 points. So that's 750 rupees risk. Let's see how much we can grab on the upside. So you can see that we bought this at 241 as shown on the screen over here, and it just touched 260 and now it's dropping back to 255, 250. So we trailed the stop loss to cost. I don't want to lose any money on this, but as you can see, 10 to 15 points was easily gained, just a simple price action method. Now let me see if I can get to 260. I will just trail the stop loss to 262 and 260. Once this crosses 265, let's see and wait for that moment. Okay, it's crossed 267. Now I'm going to shift my stop loss to 262. Secured 20 points already. Now if this hits, not a problem. I've secured my 500 rupee profit. It's a simple price action method, if you noticed, and I've used that to my advantage, and I've picked up a profit of 20 points. Now I'll see if this, okay, so see if it's hit now, and we've exited at 262 and it's falling further. So a great scalp over there. I hope you learn from this. It's just a simple method of price action. Okay traders, the time is 10:59 and I bought into 17,050 call option of Nifty 23rd March at 137 over here. So I saw this breakout. Once it retested the bottom and I saw this breakout, so I thought, okay, let's buy it here. Surprisingly, it came down again. My stop loss is over here at 118, and I am ready to lose 20 points, which should be around 1,000 rupees. That's fine. My analysis is showing an upside to Nifty right now, and above my buy point, the first target is 147, the next target is 157, and my stop loss is over here at 118. Let's see how that works out. So the logic behind my trade was that this was the resistance, and this one-time support tested, this one-time support tested and rejected and started going up. When I revisited, I thought there's going to be a W pattern over here, and looking for an upside for a quick scalp. But view went wrong, and it broke that level like this. Okay, so probably there'll be a price action and a further fall. Not really sure. So I am just 1.5 point away from my stop loss, 2 points now. Let's see if my stop loss hits or it goes back up. Okay, traders, what happened here is it hit my stop loss. View went wrong and it broke that support, and now it just knocks me out and starts moving back into a higher zone. That's okay. I still made good profits for today, so not a problem. For today, this was just an extra scalp that I was looking for, about 10 to 20 points. Okay, traders, the time is 11:28. I have bought Infy at exactly 1386.4. Why I did that? Because as per my indicators, it indicated a buy after falling quite a bit. As you can see, it did fall quite a lot, opening gap up, and then it came down over here. Then a green candle came and I decided to buy it at the bottom of this green candle, which was exactly over here. So this is where I bought it at. It dipped a little and now it's coming back up. Now if it breaks this high of 1389.4, it could go up and cross 1390. Let's see how that works out. Right, traders, the time is 12:06. I've gotten into 39,900 call option at 274 over here, 273, 274. My first target is 295, the second target is 316. My stop loss is at the bottom of this wick, that is 231. Now, why I took this trade, it is clearly based on my indicators, clearly based on how I look at the charts and the candles formations. There has been a lot of zigzag, as you can see, a lot of premium meeting, but I feel that there's going to be a little spike up where I can collect around 20 to 30, 40 points on this move. Else, it will be a 40-point loss, which is 1000 rupees per lot. Let's see how this works out. Okay, traders, the time is 12:27. I had bought 39,900 call option at 273, 274 over here. Now my stop loss was 231. Now just see the operator's game. It came all the way down to 236. Yes, I was gasping for breath, thinking, oh my god, what went wrong with my analysis? And then it started moving up. Now it's above the cost price. So I'm just waiting for it to break this rejection zone. I'm just waiting for it to break above 290, and then I will shift my stop loss to cost and make it a zero loss trade. So right now it is resisting over here at 280. Once that breaks, 290 plus will be the target, and if it crosses 295, then I'll start trailing my stop loss. Okay, traders, the time is 12:38, and we had taken this trade over here with the stop loss at 231. Now it came back down to 236 and started shooting up. It hit 300, which 294, 295, which was my first target, and then it just stopped over there and just reversed. So what I did was I pulled my stop loss to 275, making it a zero loss trade, and see what happens. It just pulls back, knocks me out. So the second time this is happening today. Also, if you remember, I took the 17,050 call option of Nifty over here at 137, and I had put a stop loss at 118, which was the low over here. So it came, it hit, knocked me out, and then it hit my first target, as you can see over here, 147. So this is what happens in the market, these zigzag moves and hunting at both sides. If you see the wicks, look at the wicks at the top, at the bottom, the movements up and down, they're just knocking out the other traders. So always and always, when you mark your targets, the first and second target, keep trailing your stop loss so that you at least secure your capital. Okay, traders, the time is past 3:30. The markets are closed for today. That is Wednesday, 22nd of March. So a little about Infy. I bought it at the revisit over here at 1386.4. It went up, it crossed my red line, and the VWAP was rejected. I should have exited over there, but I didn't. I thought, let's just hold this for a good rally. Then what happened, it came back to my cost over here. I shifted once this crossed and it was ranging. What I did was I put my stop loss at cost. It came and hit, it swung down, and again it shot back up. So I was actually thinking of a re-entry when I saw this rejection, but then I went against it, thinking, okay, let me just work on Bank Nifty today. So all in all, a very topsy-turvy day, up and down all around. It was going in circles, but nonetheless we came out green on this account. And let's see the expiry for tomorrow. I will catch you tomorrow. Thank you. Take care.